Failing to master the process of migrating an on-premise Linux server to AWS EC2 means you're always the last one to know when servers go down due to configuration issues or security vulnerabilities. What it does: migrating an on-premise Linux server to AWS EC2 involves creating a virtual server in the cloud, configuring it to match the on-premise service specifications, and ensuring secure access to the new server. This process requires understanding of instance types, security groups, key pairs, elastic IP, and SSH connections. Command example. Breaking it down: when launching an EC2 instance, you need to specify the image ID, instance type, key pair, and security group. The image ID refers to the operating system and software configuration of the instance. The instance type determines the computational resources available to the instance, such as CPU and memory. The key pair is used for secure access to the instance, and the security group defines the inbound and outbound traffic rules for the instance. Common mistakes. One common mistake is using an incorrect instance type, which can lead to performance issues or increased costs. Another mistake is not properly configuring the security group, which can leave the instance vulnerable to unauthorized access. Additionally, failing to create a key pair or not storing it securely can compromise the security of the instance. Try this next. To practice, try launching an EC2 instance with a different instance type and security group configuration. You can also experiment with creating multiple key pairs and associating them with different instances. Pro tip: when migrating an on-premise Linux server to AWS EC2, it's essential to monitor the instance's performance and adjust the instance type as needed to ensure optimal performance and cost effectiveness. Additionally, implementing a robust security strategy, including regular security group updates and key pair rotations, is crucial to maintaining the security and integrity of the instance.